In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve ad strength in Google Ads and maximize the click-through rate, or CTR, and revenue of your campaigns. So if you've been wanting to get the most out of your advertising efforts, you've come to the right place. We'll take a step-by-step dive into this process, ensuring that by the end you'll feel confident in applying these strategies to your own campaigns. First, let's navigate to Google Ads. It's the primary platform where you'll manage your online advertising efforts, and it's crucial to be comfortable moving around it. Simply head over to the Google Ads website. When you're on the home page, go ahead and click on the sign in button. You'll need your login details, so make sure you have those on hand before starting this process. Once logged in, you're going to find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is your central hub where all things ad related come together. From here, you'll want to locate and click on the Campaigns tab. This section provides an overview of all your current and past advertising campaigns, offering insights into their performance and management. Afterwards, direct your attention to the Ads section. Clicking on this will reveal a list of individual ads within your campaigns. This is an invaluable resource for evaluating each ad's performance metrics and identifying areas that could use some improvement. Next, go ahead and click on the Create Ad button. We're about to start crafting a new ad that will form part of your existing campaign. When given the option, select a responsive search ad. Responsive search ads are particularly useful because they adapt to show the most effective headlines and descriptions based on what users are searching for. It's a smart way to leverage Google's algorithm to get the best possible results. Now here's a critical step that can really elevate your ad's performance. Click on the Ad Strength option. This feature offers suggestions to enhance your ad's quality. It's essentially your guide to making sure your ad is aligned with best practices to achieve high performance. One of the most effective ways to boost your ad strength is by adding more headlines. The more options you provide Google with, the better it can tailor its responses to potential customers. Aim for a variety of headlines that convey different aspects of your message and appeal to diverse audience segments. Remember, improving ad strength is an ongoing process. Regularly reviewing and updating your ads based on the latest performance data will help you stay ahead of the competition and drive better results. Well, there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're on your way to enhancing your Google Ads campaigns, increasing your click-through rate, and boosting your revenue. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for more tips and strategies on how to optimize your advertising efforts.